Every year on August 15th, we celebrate India Independence Day, and this year marks the 75th year of that celebration. During that time, there has been an incredible journey of growth and socio-economic revolution in India. Each decade has marked India's expansion into more diverse fields and industries, offering valuable goods and services to the world. For the last few years, to celebrate Independence Day in America on July 4th, we've asked, what's your freedom? And now, in celebration of India Independence Day, we'd like to share some of what we've received with you.
Freedom to create.
Freedom to work.
Freedom to stretch.
Freedom to bake.
Freedom to forge.
Freedom to restore.
Freedom of speech. Freedom to have coffee my way. More sprinkles.
Freedom to learn.
Freedom to teach.
Freedom to be daring.
Freedom to explore.
Freedom to break glass ceilings.
Freedom to dream.
Freedom to coach.
Freedom to play.
Freedom to try again.
Freedom to run.
Freedom to serve.
Freedom to care.
Today, India is one of the largest suppliers of goods and services in the world. And the main reason for that is the quality of Indian manufacturing. The Indian government's Make in India initiative has also created tremendous opportunity for Indian manufacturers and for global companies to open manufacturing facilities in India. API opened its first office in India 11 years ago, and it has been a wonderful journey supporting aerospace, defense, military, energy, heavy engineering companies, and PSUs with state-of-the-art metrology products and services. API's team of real metrologists in India continues to expand, and with our accredited calibration labs and tech center, we can solve any possible metrology needs for Indian customers. API's products and innovations are based on 6 degrees of freedom functionality, and they have revolutionized the way that manufacturing processes are measured, verified, aligned, assembled, and calibrated. That's our freedom. The freedom to prove that with the highest possible accuracy, there is nothing beyond measure. What's your freedom?